Today I'm here at my absolute favorite store, which is Costco. And despite how much I really do love it, there are some things that I just don't buy here. So today I'm sharing with you all the things I would never buy at Costco. If you have had these Just Bare chicken nuggets from Costco, you know how amazing they are and how big of a cult following they have. However, the first time I bought these chicken nuggets about 6 to 9 months ago, they were $11 a bag. And I know everything's so expensive right now, but they have doubled in price, and I am just out of principle not going to buy these. The next thing I rarely buy anymore are name brand items if there is a Kirkland equivalent. Kirkland is Costco's own signature house brand, and their stuff is just as good, if not better, than the name brand. It's almost always cheaper and the quality is just as good. Unless I need 100 granola bars, I am never going to buy a huge box of bars at Costco. The reason is because by the time we get through that giant box of bars, they're almost always hard and stale. I don't know about you, but my kids are obsessed with something for like 3 days and then they will never touch it again. So while these are a good value, they almost always go to waste, and I don't like that. So I never buy tons of granola bars from Costco. There are always exceptions to the rules, but there is one thing I will absolutely never buy at Costco, and that is bananas. Costco's bananas, for some reason, are absolutely terrible. And I know I'm not the only one that feels this way, because if you Google Costco bananas, you will find forums and pictures and news articles about how awful they really are. For some reason, Costco bananas are just the brightest green when you pick them up at the store. They're always green, and then they take forever to ripen, and then they get brown, spotted, and mushy while they're still green. It's like they're unripe, but then they also ripen at the same time, but they never just turn a nice yellow color. They're terrible. The organic ones are usually a little bit better, but still they come to the store when they're bright green, or if the ones that are yellow are there, they're usually like really bruised and starting to spot. I just never buy bananas at Costco. I will never buy salad kits at Costco. This organic Caesar salad kit costs $9. Are you kidding me? That is like obnoxious. They are so expensive. And these like avocado ranch kits, the Taylor ones are pretty good. They usually have like an Asian one too, but they're so tiny and they are so expensive. I just don't understand it. If you want to buy salad kits, definitely go get them at Sam's Club, because they are like $2 or $3. They are so inexpensive there. Instead, what I like to do is get the mini romaine hearts, not the ones that are super long, because those ones are usually really watery and not very green. I am willing to bet that if you take one of these romaine hearts and cut it up, it will be just as much salad as that $9 salad kit. I absolutely love these Ruffles cheddar and sour cream chips, and I don't buy them for 2 reasons. 1, because I would eat the entire bag in one sitting, and 2, because they are so freaking expensive. At Sam's Club, the same bag of chips cost $3 or $4, and I just cannot stomach paying $7.50 for a bag of chips. These Doritos and Sun Chips are also super expensive, and yes, while the Sun Chips are organic, it's still $9 for a bag of chips. I just will not do it. These Ling Ling pot stickers are actually really delicious. However, they only carry chicken now, and the pork ones are 10,000 times better. So I don't buy these chicken ones. I'm just going to wait until the pork ones come back in stock. The next thing I don't buy at Costco is sourdough bread. This brand is actually pretty good, and it's actually a pretty decent price. It's $7.39 for 2 packs of sourdough bread, which at Walmart, one loaf is usually about $6. So this is actually a really good deal. However, we know how to make our own sourdough bread, so just watch my video, make it at home. It's way better than store-bought. Unless I'm using it for cleaning, I would never buy baking soda or baking powder in bulk. Baking soda and baking powder, when used for cooking or baking, goes inactive if you have it too long. So even professional bakers probably don't use these giant bags, because they will go bad before they can use it all. Unless you're using it for cleaning or other purposes, is definitely don't buy baking soda or baking powder in bulk. Obviously, Costco sells things in gigantic jars and they are such a good value. However, I would never buy anything that comes in a jar this large unless I'm using it in one specific recipe and it's all used in one go. Otherwise, I'm going to have a huge jar of olives or mayonnaise in my fridge and it's going to take up a ton of real estate in there. And unless I have like an outside fridge or I have the room to spare, it's just not worth keeping all of those things in the fridge. Definitely not even worth the price savings. Same thing with this applesauce. Yes, these large 4-pack jars of applesauce are a great value. However, if I don't eat this in one sitting, it has to go in the fridge, and if I don't eat it within a week or so, it goes bad and I have to throw it away. So I will spend the extra couple cents and buy the individually packaged applesauces because then I know they won't go bad and they don't take up room in my fridge. So those are the things that I never buy at Costco. Let me know if you share any of the same sentiments. If you like this video, make sure you watch this video, which is 12 grocery items I've quit buying and why, especially at Walmart, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye.